Hey, it's Cassie with IMG, here to talk to you today about personalizing content using merge tags with an account engagement. So, one of my favorite things about account engagement is the ability to automate outreach while still maintaining a super personal connection. So, one of the ways we really do that is through merge tags. So, I have a really basic email example up today. So let's just say I want to send out general touch bases to a majority of leads that I have, or maybe some contacts that I want to remain top of mind with. Some fields that may make it easy to automate might be things like name, company, sender signature. That will allow you to use one template to personalize communication to a really large majority of prospects in your database. So you can edit merge fields anywhere that you can build an email template with an account engagement. So there are a few ways to do that, but today I'm in the Lightning Builder. So I have some example merge fields that I want to populate here so you can see where I have all caps. So right within the Lightning Builder, we're going to have a really easy time editing that. So I want to say hi first name. In that case, I'm just going to go over to this insert merge field section. And you'll see there's a whole lot of merge fields that are already populating. And this list of merge fields will be for default fields that exist in account engagement, as well as custom fields that you may have set up. So in this case, we want to customize a message to the recipient. So I'm in the recipient tab. I'm going to type in name, and first name is a native or a default field. So I'm just going to select that and watch this change from name to insert recipient first name. So now we have a merge field that has been inserted, and whatever the first name is within account engagement will now populate in the email. Concept is the same for everything else. So let's say company. Again, we're thinking about the recipient company. I'm just going to type that in. Boom. Now let's switch things up to the sender. So the sender is not a recipient, but instead the sender. So I want to have the full name of my sender. So I will select that. You could also get a little more creative and do two fields next to each other. So you could do first name first, add a space, and then insert the sender last name. And that will provide the same content. I'll keep full name for now. Sender signature is great. So you can set up your sender signatures in the user settings of account engagement. So every user that you have in account engagement can have their own personal signature set up. You can include images, and my suggestion for best practice is to mirror what you actually use in your day-to-day inbox. But the concept is the same. We're going to our sender, email signature. Amazing. So within a matter of minutes, I've customized this very basic template to be relevant to everyone in my database. Let's say you're not quite sure of the validity of your data, meaning you don't know if every single prospect has a name. Some of them might be blank for first name. You might only have a last name, for example. Account engagement allows you to set up fallback records. So within your account engagement settings, I'm navigating over to the field. So in this case, I'm looking at prospect fields, and I want to make sure I have a fallback set up for first name. So that is considered a default field. So down here, I'm going to search name, and I see first name. So default mail merge value. This is completely customizable. You can change and insert whatever text you would like here and allow it to say there. So in the case of a prospect record not having a first name, it would then insert the copy there, changing my email from saying, hi, first name, hi, John, to hi there. So it still allows for some bit of human and personal connection without having to worry about receiving blanks or having this merge field actually show up. So I suggest to go in and set up fallbacks for every field that you may use. You won't have to worry about that with sender name and sender signature as long as your user preferences are set up. One other little thing that I set up here is a current year. So a lot of the times we set up static footers at the bottom of our email where we insert the current year. If you're using legacy templates that have been around for years and years, it's very often that you might forget to update the footer, and you could be something that has the incorrect year and just look a little silly in the inbox. So account engagement actually has a merge tag for that, so you can have your current year populated. So if you ever just want to browse the merge tags that are available, here is a list that is available from Salesforce of all of the merge fields that they have. So you can peruse this, and do just keep in mind that your custom merge fields are available too. I hope this was helpful. If you need any other account engagement support, please feel free to reach out to Integrated Media Group. Thank you.